Presentation Hero Academy presents Tell Your Audience Why They Are There, lesson number 4 of the 10 lessons of the presentation structure module. So, your presentation just started, you introduced yourself, and now you are in front of your audience. They showed up, and that's awesome. The reason was strong enough to attend, but is it strong enough to listen to you? You need to provide your audience with the motivation to follow through and listen to you till the end of your presentation. And you do so by providing a sample of the outcome of your presentation. I'm talking about providing a sample, and this means showing, not telling. It means practically giving a little bit of that advantage beforehand and not talking about that advantage. So, what will they gain from that presentation? But more importantly, how will they be transformed by following your presentation till the end? Do it early in your presentation because your audience might get distracted really soon. For example, I will tell you and I'll promise you they'll get better at presenting, but I immediately provide you with the techniques to research and know your audience. So to summarize, bring your audience from reason to motivation and do so by providing a sample of the outcome.